this is like an activation inside everybody. There's like a gift being given through this activation, like this igniting of inner power and inner truth for each person. And it seems like each flame is like a different color and shade. I'm not sure if it's I'm getting it's like a different flame because it's like a different activation of each chakra for that individual person.
That is so beautiful. And so does the flame change colors, or is it a different color?
I mean, if you ask me the name, I can tell you the color of the chakra of each person.
Okay, yes. Let's see.
That's
Julie.
easier for me to do that. Julie. Yellow.
Beautiful. Beautiful. And Veronica?
Red.
And M?
Green.
Avalon?
Purple.
Now Daniel just joined us, but let's see, is he there as well?
I'm getting white for him, so no.
Okay. And what about you? What's your flame color?
Yellow.
Beautiful. I meant to ask you guys to invite me there. I didn't join. I'm not there, am I?
You are orange.
I am. Okay, good.
My sacral is like burning for you, so it makes sense.
What was that?
My sacral is burning when I connect it to your energy, so it's orange.
Okay, beautiful.